Hello everybody, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today our topic's going to be doing free events to build your reputation.
So doing free events is a great way of taking and building up your reputation. Now this could be everything from doing a lot of public events, like public art demonstrations, craft fairs, things like that that you get asked to, that you know that you maybe not necessarily are going to make a lot of money at, but you can still bring a few little demonstration items, and if you can demonstrate, that is even more premium right there. It really helps increase the awareness of your personal blacksmith shop or your craft or whatever it is that you are doing out there in the world.
Yeah, some of these events may be off the wall, like a community picnic, or maybe they're having a event at a school. That could be a good one as well. Or even like a church picnic, you could bring out some of your stuff and just show off a demonstration of how you forge different things.
Yeah, and don't get discouraged if you don't make any sales at these events. Once again, they are just a networking kind of event. And you know, that's the best way to look at it. Years ago, I did this thing called Urban Nights. It was down there in Dayton. And I did it for quite a few years until it kind of got a bit of a hassle with all the kids and stuff to do and drag stuff out. Plus, I was making more money online, so I stopped doing them. But, you know, a lot of the times I would go there, I wouldn't make very much. Maybe I'd make $100, maybe $200 in a weekend. You know, and it wasn't a weekend. It was like a Friday night type thing, and it went pretty late.
About 4 or 5
and things
hours.
like that. About 4 or 5 hours. But what I was able to do is I was able to take and solicit as many people as I could about my business and share and get people excited about the craft and knowing me personally. And since they knew me personally and they were excited about the craft and everything like that, you know, they got to know me a little better versus just some other street vendor. And that really helped later on lead to sales in my local area.
Yeah, definitely. So when you're doing events like that, you will want to take some brochures with you, some business cards, if you have at least some items for display, even if you're not having anything for sale.
Yep, definitely. And, you know, don't bring too big of items, and don't bring things that are too small either. Stuff that can be easily snatched and walked off with. Some of the freer events that we done, she used to do some candies and things like that, and we put those on the table and free samples. You'll find that you'll be ridiculously low on free samples, and no one has bought anything. So
yeah, that's right.
Yep. So that's it for this 3 Minutes 3s. We thank you all for watching.
Yes, thank you very much.
And like we always say, God bless you, and we'll catch you on the next one.